We only have issues. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. And then where is our Kenyan ministry team? Are you here? Okay. You can wave where you are. So let me have a few of you, like 20 of you, to come up here. Your leaders can come up here. Because we want you to be in the same spirit. All right, all right. Come on, Kenya. We are runners. Let's be a bit faster. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. These are anointed people. I know some of the faces. I've been watching you on TV. It's like a movie. Let's appreciate these wonderful people. These are some of the leaders of the ministry team here in Kenya that were recruited by Madame Marie. These are senior pastors, bishops, and great people. So they are going to work with you. So they are going to put you roles. You're very beautiful today. So you have the everything is said. So I want one of the bishops to pray with you. Tell him this. You work so close with Pastor Benny. I'm already recruited. I'm already a member. I am a member. This is Apostle Juma. David, he's been working with us on the secretariat.
far away. We request you to fill on this side.
Thousands of people are outside, they are coming in.
Kuna maelfu ya watu kule nje wanaingia sasa.
But God works in order.
Hivyo Mungu hufanya kazi kwa mpangilio.
So kama uko nyuma, please come to the altar.
Yeyote kutoka kwa kikundi cha mchungaji Benny Hinn,
Ushers, help them to come up here, please.
Mashemanzi tafadhali wasaidieni wasonge mbele.
These are the people who are going to work.